The owners of the Ducati Diavel V4 have so far had to make do with 168 HP and without the brand-typical Desmosedici valve actuation. However, the new Diavel V4 RS is expected to be significantly more powerful, as well as lighter and more sporty. Sport Cruiser is how Ducati describes the Diavel models, and that designation is apartment. A look into the current Bologna parts bin makes it clear there's even more potential. For 2026, a new, particularly sporty model variant is apparently in the pipeline, the Ducati Diavel V4 RS. It already appeared in the official registration with the National Highway Traffic Administration, NHTSA, in the USA in May 2025. Instead of the relatively tame Gran Turismo V4 with 1,158 cubic centimeters and 168 HP peak output, and without the characteristic Desmosedici valve system, the new Diavel V4 RS will possibly receive the top V4 engine known as the Desmosedici Stradale. With 1,103 cubic centimeters and Desmosedici valve control, it delivers over 200 road-legal horsepower. Specifically, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 currently produces 214 HP at 13,500 RPM. If the new Diavel V4 RS remains below the 200 HP threshold, it could adopt the Desmosedici Stradale configuration from the Ducati Multistrada V4 RS, 180 HP at 12,250 RPM. That will be 12 HP more than the standard Diavel V4. The RS variant of the Ducati Multistrada V4 also shows what to expect around the potent engine of the new Diavel V4 RS, a host of refined lightweight measures, naturally with generous use of carbon fiber. Obligatory for the new Diavel V4 RS are top-of-the-line components for suspension, wheels, brakes, and exhaust system, likely in that order from Öhlins, Marcassini, Brembo, and Akrapovič. How many kilos the muscle bike Diavel will shed, among other things with its extra-wide 240 rear tire on a forged aluminum wheel, is not yet foreseeable. The current baseline weight is 223 kilograms for standard Diavel V4 without fuel. Fully up-to-date with a complete electronics package, the new Diavel V4 RS is expected in dealerships by 2026 at the latest.